This is fourth video of chapter 2, change in profit sharing ratio. Before the goodwill, the types of goodwill. So the first is the valuation of goodwill is average profit method. So this is the average profit method. The formula of average profit is equal to sum of past year's profit and loss upon number of years. It means the number of years profit given is divided by the total number of profits, so we get the average profit. So the average is sum of all the profits and losses of the number of years and divided by total number. Then when we calculate the average profit, after that value of goodwill is equal to average profit into number of year purchase. So this average profit is first we have calculated average profit and then number of year purchase given in the question. So this is question number 3 of D.K. Goyal, in which we have to first of all we calculate the average profit. In this question the 4-year profits are given. This is first year profit, second year, third year and fourth year. The profit of the first year is 2 lakh and in the next second year loss is given. So that can be shown in the bracket with the minus sign. In the next third year 4,50,000 is the profit, but in this year there is an abnormal gain. While is this type of question abnormal gain are subtracted and abnormal losses are added. So third year abnormal gain is 50,000, so that gain is subtracted because again and again it is not to be earned and abnormal losses are to be added. In next fourth year 3,50,000 is the profit and this is the abnormal loss, it can be added. So these are the 4 years profit, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this the 5-year profit. So in this the 5th year profit is 2,60,000. This is given. So this is the solution of the profits. 2 lakh minus 3 lakh, 450 minus 50, 4 lakh, 3,50,000 plus 90,000, 4,40,000, and the 5th year profit 2,60,000. So the sum of all the 5-year profit and losses is 10 lakhs. That can be divided by 5. So we get the average 2 lakh. This is the average profit of the last 5 years, 2 lakh. So the valuation of the goodwill, number of year purchase into average profit. So the number of year purchase in the question is 4 year and the average profit is 2 lakh. So the total value of goodwill of the firm is 8 lakh. In this question, value of number of year purchase is given 4. So the valuation of goodwill is 8 lakh. Okay, thank you.